Caesarean Forceps Delivery. Hello and welcome. In this overview, we'll be discussing the use of specialized forceps during cesarean delivery to assist with the delivery of the fetal head. These forceps have two crossing sections, each made up of a blade, a shank, a lock, and a handle. Their design includes a curvature that matches the rounded shape of the fetal head. During a cesarean section, the surgeon typically reaches into the uterus to locate the fetal head. If the head is found to be quite high or has a particularly rounded contour, cesarean forceps may be used. With the fetal head identified, the surgeon reorients it so that the sagittal suture lies in line with the incision. Next, one hand is slipped between the fetal head and the posterior wall of the uterus, guiding the first blade into place so that it encircles the back of the baby's head. Ideally, there should be a small space between the top of the blade and the lambdoid suture. Then, the surgeon repositions the other hand between the fetal head and the anterior uterine wall. The second blade is carefully maneuvered around the front of the head until both blades fit snugly in a tongue and groove mechanism at the lock. When properly positioned, the blades gently cradle the temples and cheeks. To deliver the head, the surgeon applies steady traction, directing it upward and outward through the uterine incision. As soon as the head is free, the forceps are detached and the infant's body is delivered. That's all for the video. We'll see you next time.